Mine.
That one was nice.
Mine blew up.
Holy crap.
It blew up, but nothing happened. Don't get that big one.
I want a big one right now.
Yay!
That's the bigger one.
Maybe,
Dang.
not burn far away from the car.
Dang, that would sound like a flame or something. Oh, that's the bazaar. We got that close here. Ah!
Oh, hurry away.
I don't care.
Yikes.
Yeah. Oh, that's the bazaar. That's the bazaar. You need a light. I don't got my phone. Oh, you don't got light. That's the fuse. Wait. Oh, those are all burning.
We gonna light shit like this shit. One by one.
What? Yo, light up.
Can't do it. Hold up.
I'm gonna go this way.
And use the flash as a flash. Never mind. You got it. That's burned. Leave it. Oh. Oh, hell no. Oh, snap.
You didn't even get to light the other one. They plan on lighting all of them. They only get one.
That one burns fast. The one that burns fast.
Yo, you can't stay far away, okay?
No, that one put it on next to the one on the right.
Baby, come down here, baby.
Light them fast in a row.
Oh, hell no, I'm out.
I got two. Hurry up, Dad. Oh.
Oh.
I won't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Take those. This is bad. Go.
Is that one lit up already?
I don't know. Jack, go ahead. Jump over it.
Light it, Dad. Light it.
Hey, you talking with me and that? Yo, I ran into it with that. Then I got hit and that got hit. I hear another one. And yay!
Oh, fuck. But there's only one left.
Yeah, 3.
Three of them.
I'm moving back. Damn.
I hope this will make a big bang, bro.
Oh. Where's the big one?
Over there.
Oh. Don't put the big one under the power line.
Baby, let's dip.
Dad, last one, Dad. Right there.
The one that's still burning is bizarre.
No, we got one video.
Oh! Yeah, for about 5 minutes now. Quite longer than you. What phone are you using? What phone are you using?
High five. High five, Dylan.
You got a camera?
I don't know. It's not iPhone 4.
Like this big one.
You have a...
Cameron, let me see. We're not doing that yet. Not yet.
I'm holding it.
Oh.
I saw that.
Pick your nose. Come on, let's go stand. Come on my back.
Hey, God, don't be a chicken butt. Come down here.
Ah, you want me my shoulder or my back? Okay, on my shoulder. Here, stand up here. Okay. Oh, you spilling something?
Yo, where the big one?
Huh? Come on.
His slipper dropped somewhere. Pick it up.
He's on my shoulder anyway.
Here?
Hey, you want to record it? Oh, no, that one.
It's scary, so you can sit next to me.
Come on, go my back.
We're Katie. Even Dylan there.
Just slip out.
Where's Katie? Anna, move.
Come on.
It looks prettier down here, right?
It's too cool. I can't see. You're blocking my eyes and my ears.
You got a button right there, alright?
Oh.
Come to the big one, baby.
Put it in front of the small ones.
Right here.
I can't see none too bright. Oh, snap, you almost fell, Cameron. Yo, move it up! You can hit the wires. No, I can't.
Chill, nigga, chill. I don't know, but chill.
Before you go, that's it. That's so big, yo.
Oh, they're the same one with the smaller version.
Yo. I hope it have shots.
Yo, if that ends right now, I will laugh at you.
Oh, I got a mosquito on my arm.
Is that it?
$70?
What a waste of $70.
You can add $30. We got all the notes.
Yeah, I appreciate that you can see fireworks.
I know, right there. At least for a minute something already.
No, but it's cool though. This one don't hurt your head though because you level with the bottom. You gotta put your head up.
Look, it's flying.
That's it. What? Huh?
What?
Another one.
Oh, more, hold on. Got it.
Yo, they played the shit out of it.
I hope it ended with a bang, dog.
Like the other one.
I want that whole thing to explode.
Dude, I'm moving.
Hey man, you hurting me.
I'm going far.
Here, record this. Hold this up. Let me get the camera off of me. Huh?
I don't think it's
Man, I'm getting tired.
Yo, $20. You jump over.
I think that's it. Oh, that was
The ending was
whack.
alright.
Where's the smoke one at, yo?
Oh, got it.
Smoking egg? Let me see.
Yeah.
One more, hold up.
Wait, we can't be seeing this though. We're not gonna be able to see it.
So what? This is called Be Going.
This one we run. It's a getaway trick. I just rip off the wrapper, and then when you're ready, just pull the pin down.
Oh.
Pull it
Oh, in
downward.
the car, yo.
Pull it
Throw
south.
it in the car.
Under the car.
No, that shit gone. Ah! Everybody be good.
I want to see it.
Pick it up and toss it.
It's hot, dude.
Kick it. Don't pick it up.
I can't see it. Oh. That lasts pretty long, too.
Oh, wait, 149, man.
Cameron, put that away.
That's Calvin.
Calvin.
There's too many kids with the name with a K in this house. K and C. Why
Can't see
you
me.
put it next to my car?
Ah!
Yo, you want your son to get...
Can't see it.
Yeah, I smell the firewood. Firewood, you supposed to smell it.
Oh, snap!
He's stupid. He almost threw it at himself.